Hello there. I'm not gonna tell you a location, but I'm gonna show you some of the tree. This tree is ready to go. Hold on. Here we go. I'm somewhere around. So you see this tree is very weak. A lot of copper ants damage over here. Now I'm interested over here in this hole. And I bet you inside there's a woodpecker over here. Let's see if they're gonna come out. Hello, woodpecker. Come out. Knock, 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 knock. Wake up. Where are you? Alright, I gotta poke it, okay? Hold on. I'm gonna move away. Because it might fly away in my face. Here we go. Oh, it's deep. It's really deep. Let's measure it. Oh God. It's deep all the way down there. Hello, nobody's home. Woodpecker. Alright. When you see a big hole like that, that's a woodpecker. And this damage is copper ants. This tree is hollow. Alrighty. Hello, nobody's home. Kaching kapaw.